It's fucking third time fucking losing,
I have like 10 manglers! Oh, I paused it! Unpaused it! Bad fingering!
Oh my god, bro. This is stress.
Looks like I get the.
It's definitely getting a lot fucking harder, I'll tell you that.
Oh yeah! I think the only thing that's getting us are those bastards shooting us. There's so much damage.
Yeah, dude.
Like legit.
Fuck.
It takes out all your armor out.
What the fuck are you?
I was coming to you, but it's not gonna work out that way. Yo,
Crazy,
you cannot,
dude.
man, the zombies run faster than you when you have to put the gun out.
Really?
Yeah, man.
Oh my god. Oh my god.